Okay, hello guys, I haven't filmed in a while because Christmas and etc. But instead of having a reaction today, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I like the box though. Ooh! I'm excited for this, like a cardboard box. I love like the orange, like Rebels, it's kind of like, it's not fully orange, it's like a little like stuff in it. Oh, this is... oh, is this how it's supposed to be? Wait a sec. Sleeping cut. Okay. The Rebel files. Cases operating instruction. No need that. Stop. Oh my. I don't need that part. Oh my. This is cool. Like, I can just like put it back in here. I don't, you know, have to. But like, branded as rebels and traitors, members of the Alliance worked in the shadows, gathering information and support from across the galaxy to bring an end to the Empire's tyranny. Consoled with this secure case, their most vital and sensitive information was collected by one of Mon Mothma's most trusted aides and kept hidden until now. Discovered in the ruins of the abandoned rebel base, these files have been passed among members of the Resistance who have added notes, updates, and new insights to the documents. The responsibility of the Alliance intended the rebels' file waves to get a classified documents interrupted transmission and get a communication to trace the formation of rebel alliance. Within the case, an embedded project unit activated by the push of a button displayed the Death Star plans and the reconnaissance image of Death Star 2 along the secrets of the Rebel Alliance. You slide it. This is a disclaimer. I'm not gonna show every single inch of the book because that's just not cool. Check this out. It has a seat belt. Can we open this out? Oh, I took something out. What the heck? What the heck? Bro, look. It's like let it open. Oh my, just look at the book. I like the green book. It's the green book. Okay, let's just open this. How do I open this without causing any mass destruction? Let's close this for now. Look at the rebel fleet. Oh, there's like files at the back and stuff. It's like a wallet where you put stuff in. Lando, bro. I got Lando. Whoa. They're like rebels, bro. The folks on Rebels are here. It's like the Jedi Path book where all the Jedi that we know and love are literally right in different places. Oh, there's Leia's writing on it. There's Poe Dameron that's writing on it. Oh, there's K2SO's model. That's pretty cool. It talks about all like the stuff that she did, like forge Imperial documents, abrogated assault against Imperial personnel. Ooh! Right in the back. Looks cool. There's like an advertisement from the baddies. Building a better empire. This book is really cool. I'm gonna like read. This is cool. Like the Death Star projectile, even just that. I like how the design makes it so it literally goes across like this, like where the silver is. Like what? Like what? Like what? I can literally double layer it to make sure it's safe. Subscribe. Looking at Rainbow's teeth.